Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Fung. Today I'm by my mulberry tree again because I'm picking leaves for our silkworms, but I found a couple of really interesting things and I want to share them with you. So remember we saw evidence of something being on my mulberry tree, remember? Like you see these little holes on the leaf? Looks like that's evidence, clues that maybe something's here. And guess what I found today? Look, can you see them? Do you see that? It looks like a grasshopper. So he's back there. I'm gonna be quiet because I don't want him to run away. So I think maybe this little guy has been eating some of my leaves because right next to him there are some holes in the leaves. But this is where he lives, and he's living because I know because he's moving and he eats, so I'm sure he also poops too. So while I was also looking around for mulberry fruit that was ripe, I found something else on my mulberry tree today. So boys and girls, today when I was picking leaves for the silkworms, I noticed this leaf right here. And I noticed there was spider webs on it. So I looked a little closer and you're never gonna guess what I found. Are you ready? Guess what I found. Do you know what those are? Those are you guessing? Are you a scientist? They're eggs. Except I know what spider eggs look like. These boys and girls are what spider eggs look like. So I knew these were not spider eggs because spider eggs look like the ones I just showed you in a little sack. But guess what eggs these could be? Well, I looked at them and I thought, I've seen them before, but I'm gonna look around the tree some more. And guess what I found on my tree? I found this animal around the tree. So as a scientist, I'm using what I know, and I know that there was a ladybug nearby in the tree, and I also know that ladybug eggs look like that because I've seen ladybug eggs before, and I also saw them in a book and also pictures on the internet. So I'm thinking they're probably ladybug eggs. Good morning, scientists. It's Miss Fung. It's been 2 days since I discovered the yellow ladybug eggs in my mulberry tree. And I just went to look at them now. And oh my gosh, can you imagine what's happening? I'm gonna show you really quick and see if you can figure it out. Look, I can't get very close, but do you see them moving? That's amazing. Do you remember the eggs? They used to be yellow, but now they're not yellow anymore. We're actually getting to see the ladybug larvae hatch. Can you see them coming out of the egg? That's not what I would think ladybugs look like, but when they first hatch, that's what they look like. They don't look like red ladybugs with black spots. They look like that. So let's watch them a little closer because this is amazing. That's how they come out of their eggs. Do you see them? Do you see maybe see some of their legs coming out? So do you remember the colors they were the day before? Yeah, actually they were that color this morning. They just started turning brown. And I thought, well, they're turning brown, maybe it means something. And so I came in and look what I found. Okay, boys and girls, I'm back at my mulberry tree. I decided that since I took the eggs from the tree, I'm gonna try to put them back because their mom probably laid eggs there because knowing that they'll find food. So I'm gonna put them back because I don't know what to feed them. But a ladybug's mom probably wanted to lay her eggs somewhere where she thinks there might be some food and aphids. And since my tree has a lot of leaves with holes in them, maybe there's some food for the ladybugs when they're hatching. So this is what I did. I taped it back to the leaf. So see, they're still hatching. But now I'll know where they are. So tomorrow I'm gonna come and check and see if they're still there and what they look like. But that's what they look like now. So wish me luck, wish them luck. Hopefully we'll see them grow and become ladybugs. And if not, I hope they fly somewhere else and get some good food to eat and help another plant. Good morning, boys and girls. It's the next day, and remember I taped the ladybug larvas from the egg back onto the leaf, and I want to check and see if they're still there. They kind of left, and look what I found. So they all left except, look, there's one ladybug larva. See that? That's what a ladybug, baby ladybug looks like. See? You can see them moving. And look, he's moving away. So look, he came from those eggs. Remember they were yellow, and then they came out yesterday, and now this is what it looks like. And they're gonna go all around my tree and hopefully start eating up the bad aphids. Awesome, huh? The tree, and guess what I found? I wonder if this is the ladybug that laid the eggs. So he or she is helping me out by making sure that our tree is healthy and eating all the bad bugs. Thank you, Mr. Ladybug or Miss Ladybug. I hope the babies grow up really fast. So now, boys and girls, you've seen the beginning stages of the life cycle of a ladybug. We got to see the eggs and the larva hatch out. So now in a little bit, it'll turn into a pupa, and then it'll turn into an adult ladybug. Isn't that interesting? I'm so glad you got to share it with me today. Hope you can go outside and find some science of your own. Bye!